Today I want to show you what is a green screen. A green screen is a green sheet or a cloth that you keep behind you, and an app will remove that green from your background and replace it with a background. So for example, you're in a Zoom meeting. Zoom can remove the green from your background and replace it with another background. So all you have to do is click on the camera button in a Zoom meeting and then click on choose virtual background. After you click on that, at the very bottom you will see this option for I have a green screen. So check that, and if you have a green screen, and if you don't have a green screen, then you'll have to uncheck that. But sometimes it will say that you can't use the backgrounds and it will disable the backgrounds, or you'll get a notification saying that your PC doesn't support the backgrounds without a green screen. So you need a green screen. So right now let me explain what is a green screen. A green screen helps you to replace the background that you have behind you. What I mean by that is it removes the background behind you, or I can also say it eliminates the background. You can get green screens for a very small price nowadays, they're not very costly.